Well, we've been talking a lot about Irma, so I do want to turn our attention really quickly to Jose, which is actually a major hurricane. As of the 11 o'clock advisory, it's been updated to a Category 4 hurricane. And notice it is moving to the west-northwest at 18 miles per hour, winds gusting up to 185 miles per hour. So we've got two Category 4 hurricanes in the Atlantic and Caribbean Sea right now. Jose will not bother us as of right now. It will continue on that northwesterly track and then eventually make a curve off to the north and east, eventually also weakening to a Category 2. So we'll watch Jose, but as of right now, it is expected to stay out over the Atlantic. And then we're watching Irma, as we've been for the past several days. As of the 11 o'clock advisory, still moving off to the west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. It's about 405 miles southeast of Miami, Florida. It will continue on that northwesterly track as a Category 4 as it approaches South Florida early Sunday morning. So here we are at 8 o'clock. It will continue across the Florida Peninsula. And remember, it can go anywhere within that cone, but the more it stays over land, the weaker it becomes. So by Tuesday and Wednesday, it should be post-tropical by that point as it approaches Atlanta, also into Tennessee and Kentucky. I want to talk about the odds here because it seems that the most likely path that Irma will take, and again, this is not definite, but the most likely path will be right along the Florida coast or just to the west as the models are starting to shift a little bit. So most of Florida, especially the east coast of Florida, will be hardest hit. This would actually help Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina a bit. Our impact still pretty minimal. So again, minimal. Again, so we'll watch that for you. Here's a look at the rain forecast for you as well as we push through Tuesday, Monday, also into Tuesday. The highest rainfall totals will be farther to our south into coastal South Carolina and Georgia, also into Florida. And then for our area, you'll notice the lighter shades here, anywhere from a half of an inch up to an inch and a half. Some spots maybe a little bit heavier, especially as you head farther to the south and the west. And then as we talk about the winds, this is a graphic of the probability of 39-mile-per-hour winds. So that's tropical storm force winds. And notice that actually stays farther to our south and west as well. So we will see some breezy conditions, but again, not tropical storm force as it looks right now. Closer to home, we are nice and dry, so it's absolutely gorgeous outside today. 77, mostly sunny, very pleasant. 61 tonight, mainly clear and cool. We will stay nice and dry as we push through the weekend. Low 70s on Saturday and Sunday. And then we'll watch Irma Monday and Tuesday as our rain chances go up. We'll start to dry out by Wednesday and Thursday.
All right. Thanks, Iisha.